Y'all see that? Isn't that so pretty? Hi YouTube, it's your girl Paige and welcome back to my channel OhhSoPaige, and I am back with another unboxing video, as you probably seen from my title. And today it is from UNice Hair. I know people pronounce it like UNice, but I think it's UNice, like, because that makes the most sense, because it's a U with a dot and then a capital nice afterwards. So I feel like it's like UNice, but I could be wrong, but it's UNice Hair, as you can see, if I can get it to focus. Yes. So I got my UNice Hair from Amazon, you guys, and down below in the description box, I have all the details, the links to get the hair that I'm about to show you, as well as a discount code so you can save some coins. And I'll probably show you at the end of this video, like, insert a clip on how to use a promo code on Amazon. I don't know if you've ever done that before. I had never done that before, so I have to go test it out and see how you do it my own self. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how to do it. So the hair that I have today is a 18-inch Brazilian curly hair. So I'm going to pull that out for you now. It is a lace frontal, and the frontal is 13 by 6 inches for the frontal. Now in the box, you have your wig, of course. So this is my wig. And then they also supplied a wig cap, which is black, and lashes. And then I also have this kind of little, this nice little card of information, if it focuses. Yeah, so it has information on there, and it lets you know to, like, pretty much search UNice Hair. You can on Amazon, and tells you, like, everything or all their products that they sell on Amazon. And the back has different, like, hair tips on, like, what to do to keep your hair up and how to wash it, all that stuff. So that is on the back of the card. So let's go ahead and get into this hair. So this is just an initial unboxing, so I'm just going to be showing you guys the hair and how it looks straight out the pack, and applying it. It will be in hell of a colorful summer, and I will be dyeing this curly hair to see if it can keep its curl, and you guys have to stay tuned to see what color I make it. Give me 1 second, I'm almost done getting it out the package. So this is the wig. It also is supposed to be pre-plucked too, is what it stated online. So, and it is 150% density, I believe is what it said as well. So this is the wig. That curl is really pretty, guys. And so, like I said, it's 18 inches. So this is the full length. The wig on my head now is like 18 inches. So it looks like it would be about the same on my head curly. So it looks like it's 18 inches while it's curled. So straighten is probably longer than that. Inside is constructed like a regular wig, so it's got 2 combs on the side, and then they have one right here in the, like, the back base of your head, like kind of here, and then there's a comb like at the actual bottom, like the nape of your head. So there's 2 combs here, a comb here, and a comb down there with the adjustable band. So like I said, the lace is 13 inches by 6. So as you can see, so I'm guessing this is the 6 inches deep right here, and then 13 inches across forward. So right here in the middle is where you clearly have a deep parting space. So that's really cool as well. And I told you, it said it was pre-plucked. So that is what the pre-pluckage is looking like. But I'm going to put it on my head and cut off the lace, so we'll see how good that looks, because I'm not going to pluck it myself. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on like how it is out this pack. But y'all, I'm really feeling this right here, because this said 150% density, and I was nervous because that sounds kind of low, but I'm forgetting that it's like a curly texture and it's hot, so like you don't want like too thick of a curly texture. So give me 1 second, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, cut the lace off, and I will be right back. Okay, y'all, so I am back. I have cut the lace off. I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on, but first I'm going to adjust the cap. I just want to say, okay, so y'all saw what it looked like before I cut the legs like before I add these adjustments with the straps, because y'all, when I say it shrunk up, like it's not that long like it looked. So yeah, it went from like what it was, because well, I guess maybe it's just in the camera. Like in the camera it looked like so long, but like watch when I put this on my head, like that length about to disappear, honey. So I mean, it did say that the edges were pre-plugged. Let me hide all my hair back there. So this is what the hair length looks like. I'm just pulling out hairs right now to make some baby hairs with, I mean, I guess it's a little bit plugged, as you can see, but to me that's just not enough pluckage, I guess. I'm not gonna cut no hair because, like I said, this is an initial unboxing, so I'm just pulling out some to make some baby hairs with. You don't want your baby hair to be too thick now. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. I styled it. Like I said, I was going to just do it regular, but I didn't like how it was looking down without me having plucked the hairline. And I still haven't plucked the hairline, but there was no way for you to really see what their pre-plucked hairline looks like without me doing it half up or some type of updo so you can see. So this is the hairline. I didn't pluck anything. This is what they naturally already had plucked. It doesn't look so bad now that it's up, but I would pluck more here. As I said before, sorry, I got absent out of nowhere. My frontal is 13 by 6. So this is the lace parting, and it is parted all the way to here. You guys, that is a long part. So I parted it all the way down to the fullest of its extent with the lace. But like I said, it's only like that in the middle, and so the sides only go back to like here, I think, because I went so far over. But if I would have made them closer, it would have been fine. But yeah, the middle goes all the way down to here. And like I said, I will pluck this parting more since I have it in the middle part. The pre-plucked hairline is not bad. It's not as bad as it seemed when it was down. It looks way better now that my hair is up, but I would definitely pluck it a little bit more. Or sometimes when you go ahead and bleach your knot, it does make minimal pluckage look way better, only because your knots are black, so it makes everything in this lace not look as uniform as it could if you bleach it, and it looks more like your skin. It looks more bright. But honestly, you guys, I do like this curl pattern. It is shorter than what I expected. This is 18 inches, but I just feel like it doesn't look that long. But I know curly hair, like when you order long, like you have to go like really long in order for it to look super long. It's very, very, very soft, and even though it is 150% density, it's still really, really full, honestly. I did wet it, but it dried up kind of fast. I wetted it with actual just plain water. And I'm sorry that I was not looking at y'all, I was looking at myself in my camera. But back to y'all. Yeah, my little spice buns are going like lopsided. They look good at first, but now they don't. I actually took the wig off and then styled it on my mannequin head because it's hot, like, and I was not finna do that. So I had styled it on my mannequin head and put it on my own head, and then refix my baby hair. So I'm gonna wet one side of this with water because I want you guys to see that curl pattern, because it was, well, I mean, the curl pattern is already pretty dry, but wet, oh my gosh, it looks so good wet. So if you wet it and then put like a mousse on there, because I know when you put a mousse, the mousse locks it in place like that. I think you'll like it. And let me go ahead and show you guys what it looked like. I'm gonna go ahead and, y'all see that? Oh, it's so pretty. I mean, it looks pretty like in its natural as well, but look at it wet. Like, y'all see that? Isn't that so pretty? So that's what it looks like when it's wet with just water. Like I said, no conditioner or anything like that. And this is it fluffed out and dry. When I wet it, I did get a little bit of a scent, but it's not like corn chips and all that other bad stuff that when you smell like hair. Like some hair smells when you get hair and it smells bad. It doesn't smell like that at all. So, but it does like smell like hair pretty much when it's wet. And I don't really know what else I got to say. Shedding. So far, I don't really think I've gotten much shedding so far. But that's only so far. I ain't really did much to it. I mean, I did style it like this, but it was wet, so I was just combing through it wet. And I don't really think I had any strands coming out. This side is wet, and I just brushed through it, and I think I got one strand. Let's see, dry side. I got no strands. So as of right now, I'm not getting any shedding. This is initial unboxing, so this is just I literally just put it out the pack, and I've had it on as long as you've seen it on this camera, to be honest with you. So I can't give you like a full description as of yet, but I will be featuring this hair again on my channel like really soon, because this is also going to be in the hell of a colorful summer, and I do have a good color picked out for this, as well as to see if this will hold its curl pattern once it's dyed, which I've dyed curly hair before and it kept its curl pattern. And it's not going to be a super bright color, so I don't have to lighten it as much before I dye it. So we will see. I'm really feeling this. I'm feeling its style too. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you like this video and you made it to this point in the video, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free to subscribe. And when you hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl posts a video. Once again, this hair is by UNice, and I will have the link in the description of this hair and all details linked down below, as well as a discount code to save you some coins on getting this hair when you go on Amazon.com. So what you want to do when you are picking the hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and place it right here, all of the steps. So as you can see, I am on Amazon.com and I am scrolling through, and I've went ahead and got the hair. It's in my cart, and now that it's in my cart, I'm gonna go ahead and purchase. You go ahead and get all the way to the final step, and right before you go ahead and pay, there is a little bar for you to put your promo code in. So you go ahead and put the promo code right in there, and you apply it, and then you purchase. So that's that, you guys. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.